No more petics for this training, for this ultramarathon training, because I already registered for Albay Ultra 100 kilometer category. Hi guys, Jay Walking here, and andito ulit tayo sa Greenway, of course. And today is our day 1, week 4 for ultramarathon training. So nasa week 4 na tayo guys. Buong weekday hindi ako nakatakbo, gawa ng busy sa work, but I make sure na nakakapag-strength training naman ako. That's why masakit yung kasukasuhan ko, sakit ng glutes ko, thigh ko, masakit, back, kasi nagsimula na ako ng strength training. And why? Is it because Albay Ultra released the route for 100 kilometer, and I studied the route from Tabaco papuntang Ligao, and then pupunta siya ng Ginubatan papuntang Kamalig. So that's around the 50 kilometer. So yung 50 kilometer, may cut-off time siyang 10 hours, somewhere in Malabog. So kapag hindi ako mapunta ng 10 hours sa 50 kilometer, DNF na ako nun. And then pupunta siya ng Daraga, and then pupunta siya ng Legazpi papunta sa Mayon, and dire-diretso ng Santo Domingo, and somewhere there is the 75 kilometer na may cut-off time na 15 hours. So kapag hindi ako umabot din ng 15 hours sa 75 kilometers, DNF na ako nun. And then the finish line is Misibis, 21 hour cut-off time ng race. So nag-register na ako. I'm officially one of the runners of Albay Ultra 100 kilometer category. So dati di pa ako sure, papetics pa ako sa training, but right now I don't have a choice, but I need to force myself to train hard, because 100 kilometer is 100 kilometer, and I don't know if I have support, if I will afford a support, kasi medyo magastos pag may support guys. Alam mo, mag-isa lang ako, wala akong kasama, so wala akong kahati si gastos. Anyway, iniisip ko na mag-solo, walang support pagdating sa 100 kilometer. So hindi ko pa sure kung paano ko gagawin yon, mentally and physically, I don't know. Siguro manghihingi na lang ako ng food sa mga support ng runners, like always, of course. Anyway, simulan na natin. It's an easy run lang naman, 15, 10, 15k, dahil masakit yung ulo ko ngayon. Dapat nasa St. Martin, St. Paul ako to acquire mileage and elevation, because I want to train with the route with elevation, dahil aabot ng 1,900 elevation yung route namin. So mas mataas siya compared to sa Abdum 108, which is meron lang siyang 1,600 elevation. Kayanin ko? Yes, I think pinag-aralan ko na yung elevation and yung route, and since nakabisado ko naman yung route, and most of it is nadaanan ko na, tingin ko naman kaya. So let's go, let's start this. Yun guys, for today's training, 2 hours and 15 kilometer lang yung tapos natin. Medyo hindi ako napagod. Hindi ako nagpawisan, hindi ako hiningal. For the first 10k to 12, and then suddenly nung nasa 15 na ako, I feel the fatigue of my body. So, I stop na, and inaantok na din ako. And have to cool down first before I go home. So yun, no more petics for this training, for this ultramarathon training, because I already registered for Albay Ultra 100 kilometer category. So ayun, it's a 21 hours race with a cut-off time of 10 hours for 50k and 15 hours for 75k. So if I didn't meet those time within that kilometer, DNF na ako nun. So I have to train hard, and I have to rest also, of course. And tomorrow, kung hindi ako atake ng insomnia mamaya, morning tayo tatakbo. Pero pag inatake tayo ng insomnia, baka tanghali na ako nito. So ayun guys, yeah, this is our day 1, week 4 of our ultramarathon training done. Yung ano na ito,